Hello, zamni sajo khansa shuwe chuka sumgi Philippines yongla chamdi tashi dile shuwe yi nyingi yendo sinsin nange changma kusu dewo yingire
dile shuwe da ta lobde logor semo dudum nimu paper kasu shuwe.
We warmly welcome our chief guest, Settlement Officer Nubutringla, along with all the dignitaries and distinguished guests and general public as we celebrate our school's 33rd annual athletic meet 2025.
Pogo ruji nanyam sum nange roje ruga da gindri ruga kanze shi ruga so ruti gongri nangju.
We begin the march past by the contingents of respected houses. The young athletes of Venom School will now march forward in harmony.
Roto ke dundu kyo shibade lobde chijab genda tende dodo la tende chönde la tende yanse la kuka chöne la shi ne chepe lobde temo tarje rugare.
At the forefront of the march past are school captains, Master Tenzin Chunzila and Miss Tenzin Jodela, accompanied by school prefects Master Kunga Cheola and Miss Tenzin Yamsala, followed by school athletics flag bearer team, takes the field for the march past.
Raja ne ruji genna je shigyare rugo kamata shila gende pike ruji ruga ne ruge ruje rugare.
Under the leadership of the man there is a Tibetan national flag described, led by Master Tenzin Lekmela. Venerable monks of our school from Uniling Monastery takes the field for the march past.
Rudi ruga de jari kamde yede tempo ne begi gebu tomare yede tempo begi gebu til pebane so de gelu tisel dalare bulu be gelu ni dong sikya something ani la ne biyo.
The yellow flag, proudly bearing Yugulaga, under the leadership of Miss Tizi Yamdala, represents Nyeri House, named after Tibet's first king, Nyeri Tsembo. Nyeri House honors the legacy from whose enthronement the Tibetan calendar begins.
Rudar jengunde chebe rudi ruga de sonde kandere chege sonde gambo produce de la namche unye uige sol sarte monge magi tongchuki be yondo chigre de nawale.
Under the leadership of Miss Pemal Hadula, Southern House marches with green flag, proudly bearing the emblem of Wheel of Dharma. Southern House marches in honor of the 33rd King of Tibet, Songtsen Gampo, unifier of Tibet and patron of Buddhism.
Rudagobu de chebe rudi ruga de chiso kandere chege chiso de ye yagane loba pema june dam keji shiwato de dane buyu de namjo dabe gyasute kongi yana la ma dane yana ge jasa khangen par ko kon de ne yana ge bela serte wo sebare.
Under the leadership of Master Tenzin Namkarla, Chisholm House marches with a blue flag bearing pure discipline and diligence, named after the 38th King of Tibet. Chisholm Dezen and his reign welcomes scholars like Lobe Pema Jungne and Kenji Shivatso, spreading Buddhism throughout Tibet.
Rudamabu ne chebe rudi ruga de sire kandere chege chire ki bela namjo darbe gyasute Peki jesa da yana ge jesa so so Peki sandam ge de ma jab ne jo be tori tu ge.
The next contingent with the red flag, bearing the inscribed stone pillar, led by Master David Chojula, Tyrrell House, named after Tyrrell Bachan, the 40th king of Tibet, under whom the Doring Treaty stone was erected. We respectfully invite the Honorable Chief Guest Settlement Officer, Nubut Siringla, to acknowledge the salute of the contingents. The school captains, prefects, and school athletics flag bearer team salute the chief guest. The school band party led by Master Kamatashila salutes the chief guest. Led by Master Tintin Legula, the venerable monks salute the chief guest. Led by Miss Cindy Yangjula, Nyari House salutes the chief guest. Led by Miss Pema Hajula, Songden House salutes the chief guest. Led by Master Tintin Lamgarla, Chisong House salutes the chief guest. Led by Master Tintin Chulchula, Tyrrell House salutes the chief guest. We thank our chief guests for graciously taking the salute.
Left, right, left. Right, up.
In Tabella, I humbly request our esteemed chief guest to kindly light the meat torch and mark the beginning of today's event.
Semen Tremedi, Naramne, Tangrap Semen, Jetu, Sonda Shidela, Ravanda Shidi, Chande, the Sonda Shigane, Semen Tremedi, Semen Duzum, Fuji, Yusuyu.
The passing of the torch between a girl and a boy signifies equality, unity, and shared responsibility of carrying forward the spirit of sportspersonship.
Look, the Chijap Ganda, then the chosen la, then the Jodula, Niki, Neti, look, the Logosamo Dundum, Nimor, Yamshu Nangan Yon, Zemo Tim the Tixila, Guzi, should you, Tamja Jo Nangu.
Next, we
Gurupura, Samura, non look the thing, some juice of some beer. Logo Zemo Tinzom Nimor, Zemo Yamshu Nangan Yon. Look, this thing in town. The Mingenda Shilla shot there. The Mertim down to Shiglo. Busy Shibu to Yamshik Chagu, Tamja Jagu.
We swear that we will take part in the STS Gurupura 33rd Annual Athletic Meet, respecting the revolution, restoring them, and with the desire to participate in the true spirit of sportsmanship, for the honor of our school and for the glory of sport.
Rudik na nyam shub na ke ruka so kanse so so dogur chola rudar nyam phem na ro.
The contingents may now march out of the ground and proceed to their respective house tents.